What's up everyone, welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Today we're taking a look at Ethereum and its recent price action, and make sure to watch the video till the end for a price prediction for the short and the long term as well. First things first, please smash the like, subscribe and hit the bell icon. YouTube is not pushing crypto content out currently and our subscribers aren't getting notifications, so make sure to join our free Telegram to stay up to date with all of our videos as they are posted, links in the description. It really helps if you hit the like. We're posting 4 videos per day, so come back every day for daily updates and analysis. And make sure to comment down below for your chance to win a hardware wallet in our new monthly giveaway. We'd also like to thank you all so much for your support. We've just hit 10k subscribers, so make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. This is not financial advice. Welcome to Crypto Maximalist. Let's begin. What's up guys, so just before we begin, we've had many reports that our subscribers aren't seeing our content, and this is most likely because you haven't hit the real subscribe button, which is the bell icon with all notifications turned on. Give it a tap now, turn on all notifications, and you'll most likely see most of our videos being posted. Also, if you want to support the channel, make sure to tap that like, it really helps us out. We're posting 4 videos per day, so make sure to check back every single day for daily updates. So we're just taking a look at ETH here, and as we can see, this chart is looking very good in our opinion. As we can quite clearly tell here, we're breaking out of lots of key levels of resistance here. Let's just get rid of this rising wedge now because we don't really need to see it. But I mean, as you can see, obviously broken out of this key level of resistance here. Basically, we did form that rising wedge out of it. Obviously, we basically technically executed the rising wedge to perfection. We came all the way back down to the bottom of where we formed the wedge here. So obviously we met our target, and then now we've had this really nice bounce, haven't we, for Bitcoin, heading all the way up to around $40,000, which is absolutely insane. But this has been coming, and this is something that we did keep saying and will continue to say. Obviously Bitcoin's been on an absolute tear because, you know, that reversal has been coming for a long while, hasn't it? Decreasing volume and trickling down price, along with the whales accumulating at these prices as well. Not to mention, you know, all kinds of other bullish reversal patterns. We've got that big bullish divergence on the daily time frame for Bitcoin as well. And obviously it's had a huge bounce, hasn't it? And it's dragged the whole market up with it. We are forming this, potentially this W-shaped bottom here that we are seeing with Ethereum right now. We did actually run as high as around $2,400 here before, you know, falling back down. But we're showing a lot of strength, aren't we, for Ethereum? We obviously came all the way down here to around these levels here. What is this? Around $1,700-ish. Double bottomed from what we can tell. This does look like a textbook, you know, double bottom, something like this, or a W-shaped bottom as some people call them. And you know, our technical target right now is, you know, coming back to where we formed the W, which is, you know, this $2,500, $2,600 level. And we do think this is very possible. If Bitcoin does, you know, continue to see a nice little bit of upside, it has had a bit of a consolidation and pullback today, which is totally fine, because we did run up very fast, pretty much in a vertical straight line all the way to 40k, consolidated a bit, went to around 40.5k, and then obviously we've had to pull back now to around 37.5. But you know, we're showing signs of life, aren't we? And we're breaking out of key levels of resistance, and we're doing something like this where the price action is coming down and down until it starts to find a bottom. And we're forming this kind of reversal pattern, aren't we, where we're, you know, every single time our lower lows are slightly less low, if you know what I'm saying. Essentially, we're forming some kind of, you know, big wedge like this, weren't we? And it does look as though we're breaking out now. We're breaking out of all kinds of levels of resistance. We're breaking out of our 20 EMA here and our 55 EMA on the daily time frame, which is so bullish. Because, you know, if we flip these EMAs bullish again, which looks like it may occur in the next few days, then, you know, we're going to be sitting very pretty, aren't we? And if you look at this, we're holding the 55 EMA here as support, which is absolutely insane for a continuation, especially on the daily time frame. The last time that we did this, you know, we're way back, aren't we? Basically way back. We've pretty much been in an uptrend on the daily time frame for a long time here, haven't we? Ever since we really formed this channel that we've been talking about here. But you know, the best part of the last month or so, we've been talking about this channel ever since we had the March crash, and we've been moving to the upside. And now look what's happening. We obviously fell below our EMAs here, flipped bearish, and then since then we've been stuck under them, haven't we? Stuck under the 20, stuck under the 50, back testing levels, breaking down. And now it looks like we're getting that bounce here, aren't we? We're getting that bounce. We're broken up above the 20, we're broken up above the 50 and holding the 55 here as support. this is really, really bullish for continuation, isn't it? And if we do get a little move up to the upside for Ethereum, and we start dragging this 20 up like this, and the 50 comes across like this in the next few days, and we get that bullish flip on our EMAs for Ethereum, we're going to be looking at some really nice upside, aren't we? Because we're breaking these downtrends that we've been in, aren't we? We've been stuck under our EMAs ever since we dropped down here, we got absolutely annihilated. We came back up, stuck under our EMAs. We've been stuck under our EMAs for ages, rolling over, decreasing volume in the market in general. And now we're starting to get a bit more volume back into the market, aren't we, with a nice bounce to the upside. And we're actually breaking out of these EMAs and retesting them as a support, a previous resistance as support, which is really, really bullish in my opinion. As you can see, we have done this before, but we didn't actually hold it as support. And obviously here we tested it once, the 55, but it was tested as resistance alone. We didn't get above it, and then obviously we broke down below it. So still early days today, but if we do hold this 55 as support, we're going to be looking very bullish in my opinion. Even if we came down to the 20 here, retested this as support and started to do something like this, dragging the 20 over our shoulder and dragging it above the 55, I mean, we could be looking at some really, really nice upside, couldn't we? So in my opinion, things looking extremely, extremely bullish. And, you know, things looking good, aren't they? Obviously, as we keep saying, the market is like an elastic band, and we got really, really overextended to the upside here. So we kind of snapped back to reality with this big correction, but now getting too overextended to the downside, aren't we? Bears are getting too greedy, trying to push the price down. And, you know, as soon as Bitcoin went below 30K, everyone was like, the bear market's here, everything's going to zero. And then what do you know? We bounced all the way to 40K with a massive short squeeze, which is absolutely incredible. And actually, you know, pretty telegraphed when you consider, you know, a lot of bullish divergence is happening on the Bitcoin chart and the daily time frame as well. So a lot of confluence to that reversal pattern, obviously showing signs of life for Bitcoin, decreasing volume, decreasing price, lots of bullish reversal signals with the whales accumulating, etc., etc. A lot of on-chain data to suggest that the reversal was potentially coming. And obviously we're starting to get that nice bounce now, aren't we? So if we can hold these EMAs as support and get that bullish flip, I mean, wow, that's going to be absolutely insane for Ethereum, isn't it? So short-term price prediction, we really do want to see Ethereum, you know, holding these levels of support, really, don't we? Obviously, we could come down potentially to around this $2,100 to $2,000 level, backtest some of these levels, hold them as support, and then start to bounce again. That would be absolutely ideal in our opinion. But obviously, you know, we could just rip out the gates, couldn't we, if Bitcoin does picks its act up, and we would be targeting that $2,600 level to fully, you know, fully technically reach these this bullish reversal pattern, which is this W bottom here. If we technically reach the target, I mean, we could potentially be looking at $2,650 in the next few days if that's the case. So, and then obviously in the long term, we do think Ethereum, I mean, it's an amazing top quality project, isn't it? It's going to do extremely well in the long term. We'd say at least 10K by the end of the bull run, maybe 15 or 20K. You know, if we head into December, maybe early next year as well, according to this channel. So that's our update today, guys. We'd like to thank everyone for watching. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, please let us know down in the comments section below. Please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you can keep up to date with all of our videos. Remember to comment down below and be subscribed to enter into our brand new monthly giveaway for a hardware wallet. If you'd like to support the channel more directly, please sign up to our Patreon via the link in the description below, or sign up to YouTube membership by hitting the join button right next to the sub below this video, where you can get access to our private Discord. We're offering coin calls, one-to-one access to us personally, insight into our personal portfolio, daily research of crypto assets with massive potential, and access to our brand new 100x portfolio. With so many benefits, you might as well check it out below. Don't forget to get 2 free stocks with Webull by signing up and then depositing $100 using our link in the description below. You can quite literally deposit the $100, get your 2 free stocks, and then withdraw the money. So there's no reason not to do that, and they could be valued all the way up to $1,600 each. But don't forget to actually deposit as well after signing up, otherwise you won't receive the second stock. Scammers get worse every day, so make sure to protect yourself and your crypto online with PureVPN. Sign up below for some big discounts. You can get access to block content and protect yourself from phishing scams with super low monthly payments and high quality speeds. You can also sign up to our free Telegram via the description as well. All the links are in the description for affiliate links for discounts and free crypto, so go check them all out below. There's plenty of goodness on offer. Please like and subscribe. We are Crypto Maximalists.